In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a portfolio on Framer.com. So actually Framer.com actually helps you create a website. So you can see its different features right here. So you can also use this by signing up for an account. But specifically in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a portfolio. So let's get started. So first, let's create an account. So simply click here on sign up for free. Now let's just continue with Google, or if you want, you can continue with email. So I'm just going to use my Google account. And now let's agree to the terms of services. So you can check also this to send you updates via email, but I'm just going to uncheck this. So click on continue. And now we are going to be redirected to this page where we can create something that looks like this. So now when we're here, you'll see this in the right hand side. So you can get started in 5 simple steps. So if you want to watch a video tutorial on how Framer works, you can simply play this, like that. But let's just create a portfolio for now. And now from here in the left hand side, you'll see the basics. So let's say you want to add pages, sections, navigation, or menus. You'll see a bunch of different templates that you can use. So what we're going to do is make a portfolio, but we'll also see here in the pages section that there is a template for a portfolio. So let's click here on add page. And as you can see, this is the default template for a portfolio in Framer.com. But of course, you can change the design, or if you don't want to use this template, you can always create your own through Scratch. But I prefer simply using the pre-made templates, so it will make the work easier for you. And now you'll see this template. So as you can see, it's labeled as desktop. So this is how your portfolio will be looking like in the desktop. So if we scroll to the right, so you can see there is also this portfolio template for tablets. So this is how it will look like. And also for phone. Now, this is how your portfolio will look like in those different devices. So now let's get over and design our portfolio template. So as you can see right here, let's just select the mouse pointer. So you can double click this to change the label in the top. So I'm just going to put in test. And now you can add photos in here. So what you want to do is you can either link, as you can see, you can paste the link right here in the top right, and then the photo or the URL will automatically be added right here. So you'll see also there is this about section right here, so you can add your company or your project, what is your project about, or your contact information also right here. But if you want separate pages, of course you can add some pages. So just by clicking on the plus icon right here in the top left, let's say new page. Or if you want, let's just delete this first. If you want, we can duplicate. And as you can see, we can, let's remove this. Let's just delete this first. So if you want to have a introduction page, if you don't want it here in your home page, you can also always create this introduction page. So let's rename it into intro. And let's say my work. And then you can add the text right here. Let's just delete this. And let's just We can always add designs by clicking right here on insert in the top left. And as you can see, you can add sections, navigation, menus, and elements. So as you can see right here, there's a bunch of different elements. You can also embed forms, icons, interactive, social. So let's say this page is about you or about your work. So you can add social medias right here. So let's say Instagram. So it will be inserted. So let's just add it right here. As you can see, my work. So you can add, let's just say this page is about us or about you. You can add your Instagram right there. You can create a brief description about you, your work, or your company. Also, you can add different pages. Let's just duplicate this again. Let's say this page is for the contact us. Let's just delete this, delete that. And you can create a new design for your contact. So also if you have this social media, email, Instagram right here, you can always add links to this text. So whenever the people will click on this text, it will redirect them to your social media account. So just click on the text, click on link right here in the top right, and paste the link of your Twitter account. Also, you can add descriptions right here just by clicking here. Let's say uh, that text or basics. As you can see, now that we have created this section, so we can just simply move this the bottom. Then you can add descriptions about you or contact us forms. And again, here in the elements, you can always add in forms. So let's say this type form, let's insert it and move it right here. The bottom. So again, it still depends on you on how you want to design your stuff. So now when you're done designing, you can simply click on publish right here in the top right and just wait for it to be published. So like that, click on update. And this should be the website link. So when we click on it, as you can see, this will be what you created. So we can also publish the first pages, update, and this is how it will look like in the Framer website. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.